Welcome to the guide for integrating your WordPress site with LongShot AI. To begin, navigate and click on Connect. You'll be prompted to enter your site's URL, your username, and your application password. First, head over to your WordPress site and copy the URL. Paste it into the required field. Next, if you're already logged in as the site's admin, you'll notice the My Sites icon. Clicking on it should redirect you to a new page displaying your settings. In the Users section, locate and copy your user ID and then paste it into the corresponding field. To obtain your application password, return to your WordPress site and append the following URL extension. This will take you to your profile page. Scroll down to the section titled Application Passwords. Here, enter a name for the integration, let's say WordPress integration, and click on Add New Application Password. This action will generate an application password. Make sure to copy and save it in a secure place, as it will only be visible once. Paste the application password into the designated field. Finally, upon clicking Create Integration, your integration will be established successfully.